Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and doing great in your studies also. So, as we all know that the IBPS RRB notification is out, so many of the candidates are confused like which we should study for SBI or for IBPS. But I want to tell you is that study for everything, because the syllabus is same for every exam, because there is a little bit difference in the exam patterns. So don't worry about that. And as you all know that I keep updating you about the free study materials, so today also I am going to inform you some free study materials for question practicing and for general awareness also, and it will help you to revise your things plus to practice your basics also and to make them more strong. Okay, so there are on Olive Board there are some free ebooks are launched, and these are completely free. So the ebooks are first for general awareness, important days and dates ebook, then GI tags ebook is there, then currency capital countries ebook is also there, because in mains exam these questions are always asked for currency capital. Okay, so one ebook is on that, and then next is on national and international awards, because national and international awards are very important, and at the time of the exam you can just revise these ebooks as the important awards are given in this ebook. So you need not to worry about the awards, plus some important historical monuments of India's ebook is also there. So the best benefit of the ebook is that at the time of the mains exam you don't have to worry about these topics, just revise the ebooks. In the currency capital ebook, important countries names are given, the countries which name was on current affairs. So as we all know that important countries name are asked which were recently in news. So you need not to read about every country, just try to read about the important countries capital and currency, and these are given in the Olive Board ebooks. And we will talk about now maths. So for maths, important 50 simplification questions ebook is there, and then 50 mixture alligation questions ebook is also there. So you can go for these ebooks also, because we find it very difficult to find simplification questions for practice, and these are important simplification questions. These are expected questions which can be asked in the IBPS RRB exams, plus 50 mixture alligation questions ebook, in which RRB level questions are given, because RRB's level is slightly a bit lower than SBI and IBPS. So these questions are given according to that level. So you can surely go and check out. So the link of the ebooks will be given in description. You can tap on the link and the link will open you to ebooks section, and from there you can download the ebooks on maths and on general awareness also, and there many more ebooks are also available, like computer ebook is also there. So you can check out the whole section and you can download the ebooks according to your choice, according to your need. So this is all I wanted to tell you about the free study material for IBPS RRB, and I will keep you updated in the future also if I find any other free study material. So that's all for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day, and just stay focused and stay consistent to your studies, because this is the golden time. If we use this time efficiently, then we can easily clear the exam. So try to stay focused. Thank you and have a nice day.